The idea here is to run this outdoor plug into the bed of my truck to an inverter in my truck bed, or cab. Sorry, one-handed here. Boom. Things you will need. We have our good old DeWalt drill with a hole saw. Hole saw is measuring approximately just 1 3/4, which will fit our plug. One outdoor plug from Amazon. You have your 1/2-inch wire loom, and for ease of use, we bought an extension cord. It is a 12 gauge, so will be more than enough amperage for anything we're gonna run off of it. In the 10 feet from my cab to my truck bed. Again, 12 gauge, 1/2-inch wire loom. Tools. You got your old Craftsman flathead, putting the wires. Got your wire strippers, wire cutters, drill. I couldn't hold the drill and the camera at the same time. Take your file, any file you have. You want to clean up that edge. Just a little bit. Afterwards, I suggest putting a silicone or some type of sealant on this edge, so if it does get wet, it doesn't want to rust immediately. So here at the next step of the process, pull this guy back, move it out of your way if you can. Not a big deal. Pull this up. See that guy? That's right, we're drilling a hole in it. Half-inch loom, bigger than 1/2-inch drill bit. Maybe we should do this from the inside. Yep. Be a little bit tighter. Probably also can't hold my camera. I think you guys have put 2 and 2 together. This is going to be our receiving end. That goes into our power inverter. So, gotta chop. Maybe. Maybe I should just use regular ones, it's like End Snips. And hopefully this fits through there. First things first, frame looks clear all the way. So this, I know, everyone's thinking, dude, you left so much extra cord on there. Better to have too much than not enough, all right? So, man, I wish I had a GoPro mount. It'd make it a lot easier to film this. All right, team. Gonna leave this down here. Hopefully it gets the shot. It won't. everyone can see, coming out here, it's gonna go immediately up, and it's gonna run on top of the frame. All right, so that was quite the pain. We got done. Game and tell. Wire up top. Feel a little bit more secure. There you got your green, insulated, white. And we'll test this when we so if you end up with any small slits from the splice, like that would be okay. But I'm probably going to cover that up with a piece of electrical tape just to be safe. Use your standard screws. They're not sheet metal screws, I know, but they're wooden screws, and that's what I have. So get this where we want it. Open it up. To not mess up the plastic, I just did a couple of holes on the bed liner. Then we can continue from there. I don't know why this didn't come with 4 screws, but whatever. Would have been nice. Start with a hand thread. So this has a rubber gasket. If you go too tight, crack that, which I might. There we go. That rubber gasket. Put that over. Boom. There we go.